alisijwayela ngibira ngithi ayisomphila senalila lezi zimbila zethemba imbila zomusa ayimbila senalila ayithi islogan ethu ithi power asambeni power okay ngicela ngivumele ngikhulume ngesilungu ukwenzela abasekhaya mina my name is Sam. Let me thank Amaqhawe Ntaba for this recognition. Ngicula igospel and ngiphethe i-advent message. Ngiphethe ini? I-advent message ithi isango lisavuliwe. Ithuba lisekhona. Buya kuKristu. The gates that stand ajar is still open for you. Come, Jesus is coming again.